Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you step by step how to remove videos from YouTube watch later list. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open your YouTube and click on a right bottom your profile icon. Now here you have to click on watch later playlist. Here you will see watch later playlist. Now here you will get all your saved videos. To delete any video, you have to click on the three dots in front of the video. After that, here you have to click on remove video from watch playlist. When you click on it, the video will be automatically removed from your watch playlist. In this way you can remove videos from watch later playlist from YouTube. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.